Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell items on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that you need to do is check if the item can be sold. So for example here I've opened the marketplace, and just to show you guys I have taken a picture. You will be able to see this. Now if an item is limited, then in most cases it can be sold. But right here for this specific one you will have a section resell able no, this item cannot be sold to others. Now how can we actually sell items here? So if we open up our profile, if we click on the navigation menu here, and if we go to inventory, and here you will find a list of your items. So for example, let's say I want to sell this item. So if the item is limited like I said, and we click on it here, right here, then it's going to look like this. Then what we have to do is we have to click on the three dots. And if you're able to sell it, then you will see an option here to sell the item. Now this one is not limited and it cannot be resold. But here is where you get the option. And if you click on it, it will ask you for 30% of the cut. You have to set a Roblox price for how much you want to sell it. And after it's been sold, you will find your Robux in your balance. So that's basically how you can sell items on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.